iMessage allows users to send and receive messages through Apple devices. However, this feature also has some bugs. Sometimes, when you send a message to someone, a notification iMessage not delivered shows up but you don't know where the problem is. Worry not. Here we offer you 10 feasible solutions in this video. Let's check them out. Method 1. Try sending again. Press the exclamation mark next to the message. Then touch on Try Again. Method 2. Check the internet. You can check the top of the home screen. Or you can launch Settings. Tap Wi-Fi or Cellular. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or toggle on the cellular network. Method 3. Check the airplane mode. You can turn off the airplane mode in Control Center. Or you can choose to enter Settings. Find airplane mode and turn off it. Method 4. Check the iMessage app. Get into Settings. Scroll down and select iMessage. Toggle the iMessage on. Method 5. Restart the iMessages app. Enter the backend interface. Select the iMessage interface and swipe up. Then run iMessage again to see if it works. Method 6. Reset network settings. Fire up Settings. Tap on General greater than Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset greater than Reset network settings. Method 7. Enable Send as SMS. Go to Settings. Swipe down and select iMessage. Find Send as SMS in iMessage and enable it. Method 8. Reset the iMessage app. Launch Settings. Find iMessage in Settings and enter into it. Disable the iMessage option and then enable it. Method 9. MagFone iOS System Recovery. Fire up the MagFone iOS System Recovery. Then download the firmware package for iPhone. Now fix iMessage not delivered on iPhone. Method 10. Force restart iPhone. Please follow this step-by-step guide.